I can't believe it's so easy to fix this problem. Hey guys, my name is Andy and today I'm going to show you how to fix this super annoying problem on every Fuji cameras. If you have a Fuji camera, and you definitely need to get the Fuji camera app. But if you have the app, you know how frustrating it is to connect it to a phone. Transferring this to this, sometimes it doesn't connect. Even though you have already connected Wi-Fi, the connecting screen just stays there forever. And it couldn't be any more annoying. And if you have this problem, I will show you how I got it to finally work. When you open up your Fujifilm app on your phone, you basically get this screen right here. And then you have to click on the top left to make sure your camera is set. I delete this. Just go ahead and your camera's there, I know. Press edit and remove it. Okay, after that, go to your camera, turn it on, go to menu, right here. I'm gonna have to show you guys this way because I don't have a HDMI cable to really show you guys. So anyways, you go to menu, you go down to the wrench, right? You go to connection setting right there. Okay, you hit it and then go down to reset wireless settings. Hit that. Hit OK. I've already reset it. That's one of the things that are super annoying because if you have changed phones or if this camera was connected to another phone in the past, it's not gonna work. There's too much information on there and it's just not gonna work. After that, go back to connection setting, go to Bluetooth setting. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, okay? Make sure that's turned on and then pairing registration. Hit that, okay? Once you hit that, go back in your app, hit that top part and then connect, add camera list right on the bottom. Hit that, select your camera and set it up. Once you finish pairing, once this is already connect, that part's super easy. Then you hit import image selected on app. That's gonna connect your phone to your camera. It's gonna connect it as if this camera is the first time connecting it to any phone. Once you hit that, it's gonna take a little bit and then it pops up connect to your Wi-Fi, connect it. Your camera is gonna go in this screen right here. And then your phone is just gonna stay there and pause for a second. And then it's gonna ask you, do you wanna join Fujifilm? Hit OK and just wait. My phone is already on here, but for you, you probably don't have your phone information on here. That's why you reset the network setting. It's gonna reset that. I've tried hitting this change button and it does not work that well. By hitting reset wireless settings, this thing, the whole thing just resets, just forgets every phone on there and it connects. This whole talking time, it's connecting. That's in how long it takes to connect this thing sometimes. So we can sit here and we can talk. We can talk and let's see how long it actually takes. The craziest thing is that this phone is already connected to this camera. There, it finally connected. Okay, the screen goes black here, but on the phone, you see all the images. Sometimes it does take that long to connect from your phone to your camera, but just be patient, it will connect. I mean, if you're waiting for like 5-10 minutes, that's way too long. It should be like a minute or two max. Other than that, you guys, it works with every Fuji camera. If your camera doesn't work anymore, make sure you hit that network reset. If you guys found this video helpful at all, make sure you hit that subscribe button because in here we do talk a lot about Fuji camera. And if you have one, why not just subscribe? All right, hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Andy. See you later.